Hey there, Aaron Afner with AfnerWords here. I'm back with the Monday mantra. Happy Mindful Monday. Each week I channel a mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. I use mantras in my daily practice to shift my mindset and reprogram my brain. So words are very powerful and mantras work. We are constantly manifesting our reality based on the thoughts we think and the words we speak, so we must choose wisely. This week's mantra, excuse me, is when it feels like the world is falling apart, I remember my breath and I drop into my heart. When it feels like the world is falling apart, I remember my breath and I drop into my heart. So this is kind of a direct response to obviously our crazy world we're living in. Things just keep on getting weirder, huh? Yeah, and this is a time, we are coming into a time where more and more uncomfortable truths are being revealed. And September, I feel, there's going to be an uptick. And so we're coming into September this week. And as more uncomfortable truths get revealed in the world at large and in the collective, remember this mantra. And as you feel as though your solid ground reality that you've always lived in, where you believe certain things and trust certain figures and people in the public sphere, just remember to drop back into your heart when you lose faith in what you thought was the reality. Because in order for us to move on to a more positive reality, we have to look at those uncomfortable truths. And that's what this is about, this time that we're coming into. And it's not going to be comfortable. That's why uncomfortable truth. So it's gonna, there are gonna be times where if the world feels like it's falling apart. And so drop into your heart. Remember to feel into things. Don't try and think your way through it. Just try and feel your way through it, because your mind doesn't know how to feel. Your heart does. And you gotta feel to heal. I've said that a million times and I'll say it a million more. So here's the mantra one more time. When it feels like the world is falling apart, I remember my breath and I drop into my heart. So take space, take some time to just breathe, meditate, drop into your heart. When it feels like the world is just becoming too much, turn off the television, close the computer, stop reading the news, drop into your heart, remember what's important, remember your loved ones, remember your life, remember all of the things that you have control over in your life. And that's the way to kind of bring it all back home. So I wish you well this week. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor if you can, like this video. I invite you to leave any comments below. If you're watching on YouTube, it would be awesome if you would subscribe if you enjoy these videos. But mostly just thanks for watching and thanks for being awesome. And I love you and I'll see you next week. Bye.